At Armstrong Air and Electric, we know that when it comes to running a business, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. For over 30 years, we've partnered with businesses across Florida, from retail stores and restaurants to office buildings, churches, and apartment complexes, delivering reliable, energy-efficient HVAC solutions that keep operations running smoothly. We also offer fast, accurate estimates, design assist support, and value engineering that can save you thousands without sacrificing performance. Whether you need a brand new system for new construction or a complete ductwork replacement, our expert team handles it all with precision and care. And it doesn't stop at installation. Our flexible maintenance plans, monthly, quarterly, or biannually, help you avoid costly breakdowns and stay ahead of seasonal demands, from Central Florida to Tampa, South Florida, and beyond. Trust Armstrong Air and Electric to keep your business cool, efficient, and one step ahead. Armstrong Air and Electric, comfort you can count on, service you can trust.